Here it is, another close-up of a beautiful dragon eye pour using the pearl cell dump and swirl technique. Guys, colors are amazing. There is magenta in here, there's yellow, there is Venetian red, there's some gold, and the colors, guys, I'm telling you, beautiful. Watch all the way to the end. Can you see the eye? The eye is right here. Check out today's creation video, guys. You're gonna love it. Hello everyone, it's Camille. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for being here. Today I'm working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas, and I'm gonna do another multicolored pearl cell technique. And I'm just working with some amazing colors, you guys. So lovely. Different brands here. I have 2 shades by Liquitex Basic. I'm using Pebeo Studio, and I'm using Modern Masters and DecoArt Americana Satin, and this one is Canary Yellow. Here I have burnt orange, guys, and I mixed this with some Venetian red, and that's by Modern Masters. This is Pebeo Studio Yellow Green. Beautiful color, love it. These 2 are by Liquitex Basic, Deep Magenta and Gold. Love the colors, guys. Beautiful color combination. How I mix my paint, I do mix it 1 part paint to 2 parts pouring medium. I do add water to get to the right consistency. If you guys want, you can use Floetrol in your paint to mix them to get the consistency that you want. Okay, I do follow Dwight from Dwight Pour, and he uses this Floetrol in his paint, and he gets beautiful cells. All right, guys, like I said before, I've never used Floetrol. I've used the Wagner Paint Easy paint conditioner, and I've used a zinsser latex extender as a part of my pouring medium in this. And I also do use a drizzle, a bit like maybe a teaspoon or less of the Liquitex Basic pouring medium. I use it because I find that whenever I don't use the Liquitex pouring medium, I don't get my cells to have that right shape that I want. So I do use the Liquitex Basic, but I've never used a Floetrol. But you guys use a Floetrol if that's what you have. I just want to show you my experience, how the result that I get using what I have access to. Okay, so do give this a try. Give this a thumbs up if you do like this video, and of course go over to Dwight from Dwight Pour. Check out his creation, guy, because I'm telling you, he makes beautiful cells using different paints, using different brands. Great result. Okay, I'm just testing out these paint, first time using the Pebeo Studio in my pearl cells, and I'm loving it. And of course, do give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy, and share this with your friends and family. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, hit all, so that you're notified each time. All right, so do enjoy the rest of the video. Let me know what you think about this one in the comment section below. Thank you. Let me mention to you guys that the consistency, I didn't get to show that to you, but it leaves a mount and it disappears quickly. Okay, so the paint is not thick. You don't want to mix your paint too thick, you don't want to mix it too thin, but it leaves a mount and disappear back into itself. The reason for this too, how it works for me, is that you want to have this paint at this consistency where it will be able to pop through the black. Okay, so the black paint I'm using is by Artist Loft Soft Body, or the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. So it's that soft body paint. Okay, and I mix the paint, the black, pour over a bit thinner, but it leaves a little mound and it just disappears quickly. So it's a little bit thinner than the colors, and you want to have it stretch over the colors, and the colors should pop right through. Okay, so just give it a try, guys, and let me know. And I've done videos showing where there's no silicone oils in this. There's no cell activator. It's all in the paint. Okay, so I've done a video showing using just paint and water. You guys can check out my playlist. I've done a video showing just the ready mix pouring paint, and they work. Okay, so I just love testing, experimenting, and showing you guys that, you know, it's not hard. I just want you to have fun with it and experiment and find what works for you. Okay, find a pouring medium that works for you, find the colors that work for you, the paint brand, all of that. Go ahead, test it out. I don't know which part of the world that you guys are from, but try whatever you guys have access to. It will work if you mix it properly. It's all about the paint and how you mix it the right consistency. Okay, be patient with yourself, guys. I love you all, and yeah, just enjoy the video and enjoy your creations too, guys. All right, I'll see you for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result, so do not go away. Thank you all. Alrighty guys, here it is, the close-up of the wet result, and you guys can see the eye in this one. Just amazing. The colors are amazing, guys. Just loving it. I'm loving the gold, how it highlights, or it created like a ring around the colors. I didn't get to see the solid gold itself. Maybe I mixed it a little bit too thin, because when you're working with metallics, it should mix a little bit thicker than the colors. But I'm loving it. I'm loving the effects it has around the other color, how it looks in between the yellow and the magenta. You can see it. It's just beautiful, guys. And the cells developed well. They did not get too elongated. It's just amazing. I do love it. So what do you guys think? I do love this color combination. It's just amazing. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section below, and give me a thumbs up if you do love it. And of course, stay tuned for the dried result coming up. Here it is, all dried. There is no varnish on this, no resin. I'm telling you guys, so beautiful. Beautiful color combination. It dried well, guys. The cells maintain its shape right throughout the process of drying, and I'm so in love with it. I might embellish this one in the future, maybe, I'm not sure. Just to paint the dragon eye into it to make it look more like an eye. But I wanted to show you just the way it is right now, without drawing in that eye or painting in the eye. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm loving it. It's such a reptile looking texture, to this piece. And this is why I just love the pour, the multicolor pearl cell. It creates such a fascinating effect, and I do love it. Guys, give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think. Share your comments in the comment section below, and of course check out my playlist, guys, and I will see you next time on Camila Moy Art. Bye.